Speaking of, we were talking about how Uber sent me a 50% off, and it's still going to be equaling more.
Oh,
So the problem is what's going on now. DoorDash, you can order on DoorDash and then pay later. So if you want to buy something online and it's like, let's say $100, but you got a firm, so you can do up to 4 payments and knock
yeah,
that down to like $25 a month or something for the next few months.
yeah.
Um, that's kind of what's going on here, but this is kind of a bigger problem because these micro loans that are coming will fuck your pocket up.
Yeah, this blew the internet up seriously, and it's still blowing it up. Blew X up. I did my share, and I tweeted, retweeted, whatever. Okay, so by the way, DoorDash is going to be. You know who's going to be one of the speakers at Curvivore?
Oh, me? You?
Stanley Pang, the founder and
Oh,
ex-CEO of Uber. I mean, ex-Uber shit, DoorDash. So we will get to ask him maybe
oh,
this question, saying, "Hey, what's the deal?" So look, you can make all the jokes you want in it. Like, okay, like obviously you can make all the common sense comments. If you're ordering DoorDash and you have to pay it in 4 payments, you don't belong on DoorDash. I said, get cooking. That's what I said. I thought that was kind of funny, right? But okay, so Klarna, by the way, is about to go public. So there's a company called Affirm that's public already. Klarna is about to go public. They're the largest. Actually, they're a Swedish company. It's called BNPL, Buy Now, Pay Later. Now, I could fully understand this if this was a major purchase, like a refrigerator or a TV you're going to use for 10 years and whatever, right? And you're kind of tight, you can make payments, but God forbid, people, if you miss one single payment on this, you're toast. So imagine, Chris, by the way, the minimum purchase on this has to be $35 for you to be able to do in 4 payments. Interest-free
oh,
payments initially, interest-free. However, here's the problem that a lot of people are not thinking about this. You already have a credit card attached to your DoorDash account or a debit card attached to your DoorDash account. The food, the overpriced food and cold food that comes to you an hour later, if you have a credit card attached and you carry a balance, you're already paying 35% on the food you ate today and you shit tomorrow already. What's the point of making 4 installments on your, I don't know, burrito? I'm not even sure this makes any sense. DoorDash and Klarna both are getting a lot of flack on this. I think it's a horrible idea. And I think it shows where the US economy is at today. Buy now,
mhm.
pay later on a taco or a burrito or a beef bowl or whatever is absolutely ridiculous. So let me give you a quick plug. I have a finance channel. I talk about a lot of these issues. I talk about the macro picture at Sergio Avedian. Go check it out. I don't talk about rideshare, but I talk about my finance and things like that. This tells me that the economy is on the rocks. If you're going to pay for your freaking tacos in 4 payments, you need your head examined, whoever
See,
you are.
here's the problem. Today, you buy your tacos in 4 payments, but tomorrow you want pizza, and you can do the same. And then all of a sudden, that little tiny amount that was $35 starts growing to $350, starts growing to $600, and then you're like,
100%.
what is going on here? I can't afford that because I couldn't even afford the $35 taco. Well, you know what? Here's the thing. The case of that being is you probably shouldn't be eating out. You should probably go to the grocery store, get your food yourself, take it
Get
home,
cooking.
and prepare your own meals.
You bet. Get
I
cooking.
mean, I'm
And,
just
and
saying.
see, this is the thing, right? Okay, so that big major purchase you did, and you use Klarna or Firm or BNPL, any BNPL service, you bought a couple $1,000s worth of something. You're going to make 4 payments of $500 every 6 weeks, let's say. Okay, I get it. Interest free, cool. If you can do it, do it. That's fine for that. But this is something you have to eat every fucking day,
Yeah.
right? That will add up so quickly. And you know what, Uber? Why am I saying Uber? I'm saying Uber because I'm pretty sure Uber Eats is going to do this too. They're going to observe this for like a little bit, and boom, Uber Eats is going to do it with Affirm probably. Buy now,
So,
pay later for your food. But you have to eat every day. You shit your food out already. What's the point of paying like 4 weeks later in 4 installments the food you shit out like 4 weeks ago? People, stop this. This is nonsense. This is horrible. And like Chris said, you have to eat 10, 20, 10, 20, 10, 20, 30 adds up. By the end of the month, you struggle to make payments. And to make it easier, by the way, DoorDash and Klarna made this that your payments fall on the paycheck schedule. So every 2 weeks. So that automatically take it out of your paycheck too. So there you go.
One thing I always say is work smarter, not harder. If you aren't using the Solo app, then you may be working harder. So let's change that. Download the app, link your accounts where you can manage your income, track your expenses, and project your taxes. Not only that, but you can plan by optimizing your time, make more, and even guarantee your daily pay with guaranteed earnings. Download Solo and begin to work smarter, not harder today. Link is in the description. All right, let's get back to it.
Yeah, this is addiction. This is addiction. This is horrible. This is a horrible idea.
Yeah, for a country that is already racking up credit card debt like you can't even believe, and the interest alone on that, and the people defaulting on them, this is just a step in the wrong direction here.
Although this may help with the tips, because if you're generous, you order the food, you can put your tips on 4 payments as well.
Yeah, but then you got again, but that's for the taco today. That's not for the pizza tomorrow.
Yeah, for sure.
It's not for the steak the following day. You know what? Here's the thing. Hey, we're starting tacos today and we're going pizza tomorrow, but we're getting that prime rib and that steak on Friday. You know what I'm talking about. We're going fine dining. We're going to get lobster. We're going to get it all. And then we're going to put it on a 4-month or 4-week installment plan.
Yeah, I'm getting hungry.
You know what? Here's the reality. These microloans, they don't want you to pay them, because then that's when the interest will come. And
absolutely, yeah,
that's the problem.
But this is something like you eat every day, bro. I don't know. I'm maybe I'm the dumb one in the room. Okay, so but I'm completely against this. This is like, it shouldn't be with food. I mean, I get it with other purchases. It shouldn't be with food. This is ridiculous.
Yeah, I mean, for the big purchases that it may be difficult. Oh yeah, I mean, as long as you can afford it within a monthly payment, that it's down to, so you can still get that 0% interest or whatever the low interest might be. That's great. But yeah, if you miss that payment, they're going to rack you with some late fees and massive interest. And usually what they do is they'll charge interest on the entire purchase price of something. Yeah, granted, $35 might not be a lot, but I mean, that's the problem. You're going to say, hey, I can get a taco today, but how many people are going to look at it and say, oh, I can go to that restaurant that's $200 a meal?
Yeah, no, it's maybe you can splurge out and order something you wouldn't have bought, right? I don't know, like who knows? I don't know. Look, man, I'm telling you, as a finance person, if you're buying your food on credit cards, if you're buying your food on installments, you have much bigger problems. You need to face the music, look at the mirror, and say, this is as far as I'm going to fall. This ends here today. And, change your life, because this is bad. This should not happen, but it is what it is.
Does that mean drivers, delivery drivers, are they going to get paid right away, or are they going to get paid in 4 monthly installments?
No, they're going to get paid. They're going to get paid. I'm just kind of sad that we're look, I'm a capitalist, don't get me wrong, but this is too much. This is extreme. It's just too much. Just suck the last drop of blood out of poor people. And you know what? DoorDash also allows EBT, right? I mean, Jesus Christ, man, what's happening here? So, that's a good point. You know what?
But I ain't paying for your damn soda.
No, that's right. Yeah, the restaurant. I bet you, they will all line up now. All high-end Michelin star restaurants, to get more customers. Meal costs $200 a head, prefix meal, whatever. Boom, you have Klarna. Now you go fucking pay in installments for your.
That's what I'm saying. And then all of a sudden you're gonna have to file bankruptcy because you have too much in debt paying for food.
There was some great jokes, bro. I'm telling you, that thread was like such great jokes. So, but ultimately, I mean, it's not a joke. Please don't do this, people. So.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club, with Sergio and myself. Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you get notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.